In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the video matrix output on an XVR or DVR. As of the making of this video, some DVRs that are 8 SATA will allow you to set the video matrix. You can access it by going to, instead of this one here, first go to main menu and let's configure it. I'm going to zoom in more a little bit to the screen. Go to system and then do not go to tour. This will actually change how the main HDMI1 displays. Make sure you don't change anything here. Just set it to default if you have and hit apply. And then go to video matrix and hit enable. Set the resolution. I want to set mine to 1080p. This is limited 1080p on HDMI2. And here I want to enable a screen of 16 cameras in a grid. So what I'm going to do is go to view 1, uncheck everything. View 4, and so on. Everything except view 16 I'm going to uncheck. So you should only activate or have checked the views you desire. Otherwise it'll start cycling through every different possible combination. So here the only thing that's checked is 16 grid. That's what view 16 means, or window split. Interval is 5 seconds. So it's really not going to change anything here because this is going to show me one static screen of 16 on my HDMI2. Make sure it's enabled. Your screen should just look like this. Hit apply. Click video spot and it'll give you an option for HDMI2 and only that. Hit OK. It'll say it wants to restart, let it restart. And after a little while when it reboots, you'll be able to see a 16 channel grid on HDMI2. I'm just going to wait for that and fast forward through to after it reboots. My DVR has rebooted. In this case it's an XVR. I go to main menu, log in, go back into main menu, system, video matrix. It's enabled and there's a split of 16 cameras only. Now I'm going to actually change my input to HDMI2, which is the second HDMI output on the back of this DVR. And here we go. I've got 32 cameras being displayed. It's a page of 16 cameras each. Now let's say you don't want 32 even, you just want 16 cameras on HDMI1 and 16 on HDMI2. I'll show you how to set that up. So in this one, I'm going to show 17 to 32, hit apply, go to display, change tour, and on my HDMI1, this is what HDMI1 is for, I will hit enable the tour, window split, I will uncheck everything except 16. And check only the first 16 here. So it's going to be in a window split, the first 16. Uncheck everything else. Hit apply. Hit save. Now watch what happens. If I go to any other manually here, and I step away from it, don't do anything, it'll revert back to the first 16. And that's on HDMI1. Now it's stuck to the first 16 channels. I can still access my menus if I wanted and do all the functions I want, but it's still stuck to the first 16 on HDMI1. My monitor has a really good representation. And here I've got 17 to 32, so in effect I have split up my 32 channels across 2 monitors for live view. If you want, you can't do a split for playback, you have to do the playback on HDMI1. Thanks for watching.